Today we're going back to February 1994, when a dramatic moment in modern air combat unfolded over Bosnia and Herzegovina. During the Bosnian War, 6 Serbian J-21 Jastreb attack aircraft took off on a mission to bomb a military factory near Novi Travnik. At the same time, the United States Air Force was enforcing a NATO no-fly zone under Operation Deny Flight, a mission designed to stop unauthorized military flights over the region. Patrolling the skies were 2 American F-16C fighting Falcons from the 526th Fighter Squadron. The F-16 was already known for its speed, radar, and air combat capability, while the J-21 Jastreb was a light attack aircraft mainly designed for ground strikes, not air-to-air combat. Even though the Serbian pilots were aware of NATO fighters in the area, they continued their bombing run. As the Jastrebs dropped their bombs, the F-16 pilots moved into intercept. Using superior radar, speed, and situational awareness, the American jets quickly gained the advantage. Air-to-air missiles were launched, and several J-21 aircraft were shot down. This engagement became historic, as it marked the first combat action in NATO's history. The clash clearly showed the difference between generations of military aircraft. The J-21 Jastreb was built for close air support and training roles, with limited defensive systems and no advanced air combat radar. In contrast, the F-16 Fighting Falcon was a true multi-role fighter, capable of dominating the skies with precision weapons, advanced avionics, and highly trained pilots. Now let's talk about the price difference between these aircraft. The J-21 Jastreb was relatively inexpensive, costing only a few million US dollars per unit during its production era. It was designed to be simple, affordable, and effective for ground attack missions. On the other hand, the F-16C Fighting Falcon represents a completely different level of investment. Depending on the variant and upgrades, an F-16 costs approximately 30 to 60 million US dollars per aircraft, not including long-term maintenance, weapons, and pilot training. That price difference reflects capability. The F-16's radar systems, beyond visual range missiles, electronic warfare equipment, and networked combat abilities gave it overwhelming superiority in this engagement. The events over Bosnia proved how modern fighter jets could enforce airspace control with speed and precision. This air battle sent a strong message to the world about NATO's resolve and the effectiveness of modern air power. It also became a key lesson in military aviation, showing that technology, training, and coordination often matter more than numbers alone. The encounter between US F-16s and Serbian J-21 Jastrebs remains one of the most important air combat stories of the 1990s, a moment where history, technology, and strategy collided in the skies. This is Motion Explore USA, bringing you real stories of air power, combat aviation, and military history.